Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mahi, aka my Bhabi, and today we're talking about some really cool stuff that I've never done before. It's gonna be stuff like unpopular opinions, hot takes, controversial opinions, girly content, maybe not so girly content. I hope you guys have fun. Let's get into it. Okay, so today we're talking about things that are like really romanticized, but they're actually kind of overrated or maybe not that great. Like solo dates. I think we've spoken about this a few times. Solo dates, like the concept, it does not make sense. Like I don't want to go to a cafe and sit by myself. Maybe when I'm like getting some work done.
Correct.
But for me to just be sat somewhere and like drink my coffee and like look at people, I don't find anything enjoyable about that, to be honest. And people that find anything enjoyable about that are kind of weird. Like they scare me. You're too comfortable with yourself, is what I think. And I can't be that.
I'm the opposite.
You like going to cafes?
I can do solo dates, but I cannot do solo travel.
Oh, that's the worst.
Like I can spend a day by myself going to cafes or going shopping or doing whatever just by myself.
Yeah.
But I am not a solo traveler.
Yeah.
I will get so bored. I'm somebody who can make friends very easily. I think you and I both are very similar like that.
I can talk to anyone.
She really can talk to
Yeah.
anyone. But you are a people's person. Like
You completely.
yeah, like people give you energy.
Yeah.
I will only be a people person when there are people who are like me or
Who match your vibe.
Yeah, who match my vibe. You are somebody who vibe with everyone, from Kavita
Yeah.
Didi to Sunita Didi.
That's the staff in the family. And I can speak to
But
them
for somebody
hours.
like you, not liking a solo date is acceptable.
Yeah.
But I think I can do solo dates. Definitely cannot do solo travels. So I think solo dates
Should be cancelled. Cancel that shit.
Okay.
What's another one that you can think of?
The early morning gym routine. Like
Oh
I
my
wish I
God.
become that person. But to wake up at 5 in the morning.
Maybe in another life.
Yeah.
I'll be
like
that.
every day, I'm sure every day I sit with Karan and I tell him that, baby, we're gonna do
Karan's
this.
the husband and the brother, by the way,
Yeah.
for context.
So yeah. So every time we go to bed and I tell him that, we're going to do this. What time do we wake up? 9:30, 10 o'clock. So I think just the hype, of course, it is good for your health, whatever. But there are so many things that we do on day-to-day basis or we do, which
Yeah.
is definitely not good for health. So I think to just push it as that balance you need in life, early morning, 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., gym, walk, whatever, etc., overhyped. Do it when you're at your own ease. Don't torture yourself to wake up.
Yeah. Like the people that just are like,
You don't
oh my
even
God.
try.
Yeah, I
you
don't
don't even try. The brother and the sister, they're the same. They are the same. There's something with you, Pulswani. You just cannot.
We love to sleep and
They-
eat.
I agree, but it is insane. Again, deviating from the topic.
But also I think the people that are like waking up early and like working out or just waking up early in general to do anything, they just feel like they're better than everybody else.
I would love to become a morning person. I'm not going to lie. I want to wake up at 6. I want to wake up at 7. I want to sit for 1 hour, just do nothing and look at the view. We live in a beautiful house, enjoy all of that. But I just can't do that.
Watch me still wake up at 12 p.m. tomorrow. Shout out to my late night girlies and guys, for anyone watching. Okay, while we're talking about things that have been like overly romanticized, let's do like a keep it or cancel it. So what do you think of the matcha phase?
It tastes like mehendi.
I actually don't think that.
I really
And
think
also
that.
I feel like there's people out there that are kind of like, just drinking it for the sake of drinking
Yeah,
it because
yeah.
it's famous.
Yeah.
But like I have been drinking matcha since COVID times. When I moved to the UK.
Yeah.
So one of my friends and I, shout out Mannat. So her and I would literally go to this Oriental Asian kind of like a store.
Yeah.
We would get matchas, and she had once got me like this entire packet of the Kit Kat matchas. I feel like I've kind of been there, done that since before it was even a thing.
Yeah.
And I've liked it since the first time.
It tastes like shit. Sorry, but it does. Anyway,
Okay, what do you think of slick backs?
I'm a major slick back girly. Like, do a slick back when I have a bad hair day. I think it just enhances your look.
Slick backs are cool for the girls that can pull it off. I feel
Yeah.
like my face just looks like really puffy. So I'm like a
Maybe.
fully like a 90. Shut up. I'm like a 90s blowout girl. Like a fresh blowout. Nothing can beat that shit.
But
Actually,
again-
like having said that, look at you with like a blowout.
Yeah,
And me with like not a slick back, but still like my hair
oh
pale.
yeah, actually.
we've spoken about solo dates and like solo travel and all, but what do you think of like solo shopping?
I love solo shopping,
Yeah.
but I am somebody that even though I'm solo shopping, it's been a thing. Like,
You'll call people.
not people, mama. I
Your
will call mom every time. Till date, I'm married. I still call her. It's not like she will tell me, oh, don't do this or don't do that. I just need a validation.
But she has a great like choice. The way she
Bro.
dresses up, like the stuff in her wardrobe. She's got like the most insane bag collection ever.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
her bahu is gonna be happy as
But yeah, like I think I need mama's validation or Karan's. Like
Yeah.
my husband. He's my personal stylist. Every time I will dress up, I'll like, babe, I will do a nice thing. He'll be like, the bag is not vibing. Let's be
Karan
honest.
studied fashion, by the way.
And
for
B,
some,
Karan is a fashion encyclopedia.
yeah,
He will
knows
know.
everything.
He will know which brand has which updated creative director or which. Like I thought, like I was a fashion girly until I met my husband, who knows way more than
Yeah,
any person who says they know fashion out there. And trust me, he does.
I fully back that.
Yeah.
Fully.
Okay, so I think this is a universal topic: skinny jeans.
Ban that stuff.
I think
Ban
recently I was reading this article on business of fashion, and I read that like it's coming back, but in a shorter length, so it is as good as like capris or capris, whatever.
Oh, they're actually. I like capris. I don't like
Yeah.
skinny jeans.
Yeah.
Bro, have you seen those girls with like a what's the gap? Like a
I
thigh
know.
gap,
Yeah.
and like just like a short, like a puffer jacket or like a cute crop top or maybe like a
No, my
sports
thing.
bra. I love it.
Bro, it feels like I'm going. I see
And like a nice bag. I
bro,
love it.
it feels like the sabji walas wear such clothes looking at the rope around with.
No, I think it's like a really cool thing. Like maybe someday I will be that girl.
When we have thigh gaps, which maybe next slide we'll talk about that.
Or no, speak about yourself.
I cannot. Thick thighs save lives. Anyway, aesthetic journaling. Bullshit.
I think maybe like as a date, you can do it every like maybe like once
Who
a
has
year.
the time today to remove stickers and post, like paste, cut
You
out?
can do it as a date. Like, what about vision boards? Like, do we follow it? No. But do we love creating it? Yes.
No.
As a date, yeah, I love it. Like
Vision
every year.
board, I will just shut my eyes and imagine it. I mean, that's as good as manifesting. I'm imagining like a wardrobe full of only Chanel bags. Please take them back. But yeah, like I'm imagining that. That's my vision. So yeah, I will do it. I'm every day. I'm just thinking of Chanel bags. So why not? Anyway, moving on. Movie nights.
I love, but like I love movie nights. You know, like just like candles lit and like just us
Yeah.
girls or like brothers or whatever, like just
Or
sitting and like
boyfriends.
that's really not happening, guys.
But
But just sitting and like doing a movie night, I love the concept. Like I watch TV before sleeping every single night for at least an hour,
Mm.
and it can go up to 2, 3, 4, however many hours. But when I'm with people, for some reason, I will just pass out.
Exactly my point. But I think movie nights are only fun with girls,
Yeah.
not with my husband, because
He
I get-
watches weird stuff.
Bro, he watches major boy content. I can't do that. I need to watch a chick flick, or I need some drama. I need something.
I think you just also kind of like setting up before that and all. It's just so like fun.
Yeah, it's just like I think therapy for us.
Yeah, like you bring the snacks, you bring the drinks, like
Yeah.
the candles are lit, the mahol is set
Yeah.
to sleep
Yeah.
in 20 minutes.
I think you would definitely would want to talk about this because I know you guys are insane.
Oh, the next one is splurging on perfumes. Love. You
Same.
could look like the hottest person on this planet, but if you're not smelling good, sorry, but you're not the hottest person on the planet.
yeah, I agree. I think that's one of the reasons I love Karan. Because he has some insane perfume
Yeah,
collection.
he has a mad collection.
Like, he's
even
not-
my dad.
Yeah, like he's traveling, he's in Delhi for a meeting, but the minute I open his cupboard, like that whiff of his perfume, bruh, it is insane.
Okay, what are your thoughts on like ghosting people?
I think it's chill.
I think when I ghost people, it's fine. But if you ghost me, I really take it personally.
I've reached that stage in my life where I just don't really care. Good you're talking, good you're not talking. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, I
really
feel
don't.
like with some of my friends, it like kind of goes without saying.
With them, I know their situation, so I understand that's not ghosting.
Yeah.
But when like random people, when I'm talking, when they ghost, bro, I don't care.
I really take it personally. Never do it to me, guys. You will be on my hit list.
But now I feel that I don't care. So my problem is that I feel that the samne wala person also doesn't care.
No, I care.
Sorry, now I know.
Okay, what do you think about like sharing passwords in relationships?
I'm very chill with that.
Yeah, I think I also don't mind.
Like I don't really care because like
I think I don't want your password like willingly, but if there happens to be a situation where you've got to give it to me or like I've got to share
Yeah,
it with you.
yeah.
If you have a problem with that,
now
that's
if somebody acts sus while giving,
yeah,
then it's a problem.
like oh 1 second, like let me do something in my phone, I don't remember,
Yeah.
and like putting in wrong passwords. What
Yeah.
the hell?
yeah, yeah.
Are
Then
you dumb?
there's something wrong. But like, take my phone, bro.
What do you think about pretty privilege?
Bro.
Keep it.
Yeah, I think
No pretty girl is ever gonna say otherwise.
Yeah.
You've got to keep it.
I agree. It's a
Uh,
no-brainer. Yeah, I
yeah.
don't even have an explanation for it.
Yeah. Do you want to read the next one?
Controversial opinion, but what do you think about oversharing online? I'll start. Like I said, I would do it only on my spam account where I know that only 30 people who know me would do it because I'm somebody, I believe in Nazar, no matter whatever I'm talking or whatever. I just don't want any Tom, Dick and Harry to know about my life.
Yeah, fair.
So
I think-
that's not me.
I don't know what I exactly have to say about this because I'm like a social media person,
Me too.
content creator, if you may. But like, let's say like celebrities when they break up,
Mm.
and you just hear like afmai about it.
Mm.
Like I personally want to hear from the celebrities. So I feel like with certain people who are like out there in the
But see,
public eye,
oversharing is enjoyable if it's actually a celebrity talking. If
or anyone famous,
anyone
or
famous.
anyone like really cool, like
yeah, maybe. For example, like we're oversharing right now. We've overshared a lot. So I think we gotta wrap this up and call it a night.
Alright guys, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, send it to your friends, send it to your family. And remember that if you're going to be obsessed with somebody,
I am.
excellent choice. Okay, bye. See you in the next one.